When you walk into the Boys and Girls Club of Hill City, it's a sea of excitement. Hill City began a youth center in 1974, and for the last 12 years, it's an official Boys and Girls Club. Offering a summer program and an after-school program for local students, the club has a staff of 14 and about 100 busybodies to entertain until their parents pick them up. The benefits of being an official Boys and Girls Club chapter is the resource development, programming, and curriculum support. With a great deal of focus set for education, the program also incorporates plenty of fun for the kids.
In Hill City alone, we're getting 100 kids a day. Where would these kids go while their parents are working? And national stats are most juvenile crime happens Monday through Thursday, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. That's when parents are working. That's when parents are worried about what their kids are doing. So this is a safe place that they can come and have fun. It's all about fun. It's all about them wanting to be here, but it's also a relief for parents knowing that their kids are safe.
When the kids arrive, they stay busy with homework help, age-appropriate activities, anything from crafts to cooking to science and math exercises, then gym time, free time, and cleanup. Veronica, a longtime resident of Hill City and club staff member, says that the facility is a great opportunity for the community's youth.
Oh, it's wonderful. I mean, when I was a kid, we didn't really do anything after school. We kind of hung on the playground and hung at the gas station, and so it's definitely a great place that kids can hang and they can be with their friends, and their parents don't have to worry that they're just running the streets wild. Or it's really fun that they have a place to go, and fun that they're friends here.
Thanks to generous donors and fundraisers, the club is able to offer annual memberships for just $25. The club will be hosting their annual fundraiser April 11th at Mount Rushmore.